Are you getting the something went wrong error on your Revolut and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix it. So basically what I did firstly was that I closed my Revolut app, and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So go into your settings app, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now we're just going to scroll down and click on general in here, and then scroll down a little bit again and click on storage. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is great. And for some of you, you're going to wait a couple of seconds for all of these apps in here to load. And when it's done, just scroll up in here until you can locate the search bar in the top basically. And so click on the search bar, and in here just search for Revolut. Click on the Revolut app, and then you're going to click on Offload app, and once again click on Offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. And now you're just going to simply wait for your Revolut app to completely update to the latest version. So just wait for it to completely update. As you can see, it says loading here now for my Revolut app, which is perfect. So just wait. When it's done, you're going to be able to go back into your Revolut app. This shouldn't, by the way, log you out of your account, but what will happen instead is that you will automatically update your Revolut app to the latest version. So hopefully this will be able to fix this problem for you as well.